हेलो दोस्तों, अगर डिक्टेशंस पसंद आएँ तो लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कर दीजिएगा। अगर आप इस चैनल पे नए हैं तो लाल रंग का सब्सक्राइब बटन है, बेल के साथ दबा दीजिएगा ताकि आपको आने वाली डिक्टेशंस टाइम टू टाइम समय पे मिल सकें। थैंक यू। The matter was decided by the consolidation officer by an order passed on 23/4/1984 full stop. Against this order, appeals were preferred full stop. The appeals were allowed and the matter was remanded back for a fresh decision to the consolidation officer full stop para. After remand, the consolidation officer again decided the share of the parties wide order dated 24/10/2007 full stop para. The petitioners preferred an appeal full stop. This appeal was decided along with another appeal filed by Dev Singh and others full stop para. The settlement officer consolidation upon a finding that as many as 34 persons had died prior to the order of the consolidation officer set aside the order and remanded the matter back for a fresh decision full stop para. Against this order of remand, 2 revisions were filed full stop. These revisions have been allowed full stop. The order of remand passed by the settlement officer consolidation has been set aside and the order passed by the consolidation officer has been affirmed full stop. Hence, this writ petition allowed full stop. Para. The contention of learned counsel for the petitioners is that the land in question pertained to 2 separate khatas which were recorded in the name of persons who had no connection with each other full stop. The consolidation officer has wrongly given share in the khata of Badlu to persons belonging to the family of Badri, who was recorded in this other khata full stop para. The second submission made is that during the pendency of the litigation, some parties have executed sale deeds in favor of different persons full stop. These sale deeds have not been taken into consideration while determining the share of the parties full stop para. The third and last submission of learned counsel for the petitioners is that an objection had been filed by Nandram claiming to be the daughter's son of Bhole full stop. Bhole was not recorded over the land in question and that Nandram, who is not the daughter's son of Bhole, has wrongly been given a share in the land in dispute full stop. He therefore, submits that the matter had been rightly remanded for consideration of these aspects, but the order of remand has illegally been set aside by the Deputy Director of Consolidation without adverting to these aspects of the matter full stop. Para. Shri Brajesh Shukla, on behalf of caveators, has submitted that the categorical findings recorded by the Deputy Director of Consolidation have not been challenged in the writ petition full stop. He further submits that the counsel for the petitioners has neither made any submission as to how the determination of shares by the consolidation officer was wrong full stop. No averment in this regard is to be found in the writ petition also full stop. He therefore submits that the writ petition has been filed only with a view to stall the final adjudication of a dispute which is remained pending for almost 47 years full stop para. I have considered the submissions made by learned counsel for the parties and have perused the record full stop para. Perusal of the appellate order reveals that the settlement officer consolidation allowed the appeal on the finding that as many as 34 persons who were parties in the proceedings before the consolidation officer had died prior to the decision, full stop. He therefore finding that the order had been passed against dead persons, set aside the same and remanded the matter, full stop. The Deputy Director of Consolidation has held that in case the order had been passed against dead persons, it is the heirs of the deceased who had reason to be aggrieved, full stop. It was not open for the petitioners to challenge the order of the consolidation officer, full stop, over. तो दोस्तों ये 110 की स्पीड का डिक्टेशन हो गया है. ओके, इसमें कुछ नाम वगैरह आए हुए हैं. नाम देव सिंह है. ऑन द लाइन डी और वी का हुक देव बन जाएगा. और बद्री भी नॉर्मल है. बी और डी, बी में डी और डी में आर का हुक, ई की वॉवल आफ्टर में, एबव द लाइन का स्ट्रोक है. ठीक है. बद्री बदलू भी नॉर्मल है. बी डी एल, एल में ऊ की वॉवल. भोले भी नॉर्मल है. ऑन द लाइन बी और एल अपवर्ड, और बी को काट दीजिएगा भ के लिए. नंदराम के लिए एन एन, डी में आर का हुक और एम. ठीक है, एक साथ बन जाएगा नंदराम. एन दो बार एन बनाइएगा और डी में आर का हुक और फिर एम एक साथ. ठीक है, नंदराम हो गया. ब्रजेश बनेगा पूरा, जैसे अप्रोच बनता है वैसे ही ब्रजेश बनेगा अबव द लाइन, और जे में सर्किल लग जाएगा. ब्रजेश. शुक्ला, शुक्ला के लिए थ्रो द लाइन एस एच के एल अपवर्ड, शुक्ला. बाकी और कुछ ज़रूरत है नहीं आप लोगों को. 110 की स्पीड में आप लोग खुद ही एक्सपर्ट हैं. बताइएगा कैसा लगा डिक्टेशन, स्पीड वगैरह कैसी लगी, और फ्लक्चुएशन कितना रखना है, कैसे करना है, सब बताइएगा. थैंक यू सो मच. लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिएगा. मिलेंगे अगली डिक्टेशन में. बाय बाय.